Hi dear student, welcome to my English class. Today I am discuss about a topic called a part of transformation of sentence from assertive to interrogative. Okay, at first you should know what is assertive sentence. You know that assertive sentence is a sentence which express a description. And what is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence is one kind of sentence which asks a question. Okay, now I discuss about the transformation from assertive to interrogative sentence. Okay, you know that there are only three or four rules in transformation of sentence from assertive to interrogative. Okay, at first I will give an example, then I will discuss about the rules. Okay, at first I will give an example. This is an example of our assertive sentence. You have to change it into an interrogative sentence. Okay, interrogative sentence. You notice that there is an auxiliary verb. When you find an auxiliary verb in an assertive sentence, you will give it at first. There is another technique that when you get the assertive sentence in affirmative form, in interrogative form, you should give it, you should turn into it negative. That means assertive sentence turn into a negative interrogative sentence. Okay, so you given hasn't, then subject he, then others, gone to market, then give an interrogation mark. Okay, I repeat the rules. When you get auxiliary verb in an assertive sentence, you should give the auxiliary at first, then the subject in interrogative sentence. Okay, now next example. They played cricket in the field. Okay, this is another example of assertive sentence. Okay, you have to change it into interrogative sentence. There is no auxiliary verb. When you find there is no auxiliary verb in assertive sentence, you should give do, does, did. Please notice, when you when you don't find any auxiliary verb in an assertive sentence, in interrogative sentence you should give do, does, did at first. As there is no auxiliary verb and there is no negation form, negative form, you should give do, does, did. It is past form, so you give did, then not, didn't, then subject, then play. This is past form, so you can't give this past form, you will give present form. Okay, didn't they play cricket in the field? Okay, these two examples are very important for class 6 and class 7 and class 8. Okay, then another two example is very important for class 6 to class 10. Okay, and then the third example. Everybody likes him. It is an example of assertive sentence. You have to change it into interrogative sentence. So at first, when you find everybody, everyone, you should give at first who. This is an example of affirmative form or affirmative form, so you should give negative form. So there is no auxiliary, you should give doesn't. Who doesn't then like him? Please notice that when you find everybody or everyone, then you should give who. But when you find nobody or none likes him, please notice difference between everybody, everyone and nobody, none is only affirmative form or negative form of interrogative sentence. When you find affirmative form, you should give negative form. When you find negative form, this is negative form, you will give affirmative form in interrogative. So everybody, you also give who. Then this is a negative form, so you can't give doesn't, don't, didn't, so you give likes him. Is it clear? Okay. Now I repeat, everybody and everyone take who and negative form. Nobody, no one takes only who, don't take negative form. Okay, another example. When you find every father or mother loves her child. This is another example of assertive sentence you have to change into interrogative sentence. This sentence is also begins with every, but there is a noun after it. When you find a noun after every or no, when you find any noun after every or no, you have to change it into is there any mother but or who, sorry, is there any mother who doesn't love her child? Please notice that when you find every and then after noun, you have to change is there any. It is for every. Is there any? Every transform into is there any, then the noun form, then who does not, or you can give there but. This is an alternative form. Is there any mother but loves her child? Is it an alternative form? So you notice that every transform into is there any in interrogative sentence. Is it clear? This is all about from changing from assertive to interrogative form. If you learn this, I hope you will answer all the questions in your exam from assertive to interrogative sentence. That's all for today. Next time, see you. I hope you will be safe and sound. Thanks.